We both are from Standard 7. Today is 16 September, means World Ozone Day. So today we are going to explain about ozone layer through this model. Ozone layer is a protective shade of ozone gas. Ozone layer is a protective shade of ozone glass. It absorbs most of sun harmful rays. It called ultraviolet rays, means UV rays. It acts like natural sunscreen of planets. This absorption prevents dangerous UV radiation from reaching the Earth's surface, safeguarding living organisms and serious health problems like skin cancer and environmental damage to ecosystem. Did you know what is it? Yes, it's a region in which Earth atmosphere, specifically the stratosphere, where a high concentration of ozone. The ozone has molecule made by 3 oxygen atoms. Unlike the oxygen we breathe is made up of 2 atoms. Example O2. Do you know why does it? It acts as a barrier, absorbing about 97 or 99% of sun's damaging UV radiation. Did you know where is it? Yes, most of ozone layer is located at a stratosphere above the 15 to 30 km above the Earth's surface. Do you know why it is important? Yes, it protects human health by absorbing the UV rays. It protects ecosystem by damage to plants, marine life and food chains. It present in initial of life. As we know, it's thrive on Earth. I hope you understand about the ozone layer. Thank you. Hello everyone, good morning. First I would like to introduce ourselves. Myself Janki Rakesh Thakur and myself Swara Prashant Mohan. We are from class 7. Today is 16 September, the World Ozone Day. This year theme is Montreal Protocol Advancing Climate Action. So today we are going to tell some information about this year theme and our model ozone depletion. So let's start. World Ozone Day. On September 16, emphasizes the Montreal Protocol role in advancing climate action by phasing out ozone damaging layers substances such as HFCs, which are coded used for greenhouse gases used for air conditioning, aerosols, refrigeration and fire protection. The protocol, a successful international environmental treaty. It protects ozone layer and slows the climate change, with Australia playing a leadership role in its implementation, including supporting to the legally amendment to phase down with HFCs. Now I would request to Swara Moreno to tell more about this model and this year theme.
Australia has taken a comprehensive approach to reduce HCF emissions, including import licensing, product stewardship for refrigerants, bans on single use of gas cylinders, and licensing for requirements for the technicians. Further actions taken by Australian government was the ban on the import of small air conditioners using the most climate damaging HCF from 1st July 2020. These efforts are projected to ban on the greenhouse effect from the year 2018 and 2030, contributing to Australia's Paris Agreement target. So dear friends, we hope that you understand about ozone depletion through this model. Thank you.